No money, don't hands, no balls. Up, down, left, right, A, B, cheat code. Pull up my gun, sing like me. Show Rick going to my coat, no superhero.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I'm so excited for this video because this is a topic I wanted to speak on for the longest. I know I do a lot of entrepreneur advice videos, advice vlogs, but honestly, the real tea at the end of the day, we all go through things and we need to know that it's okay. Aside from being a businesswoman, there's a lot of things that goes with that. As far as mental health, staying motivated, it's a lot of stress that most people don't talk about. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Let me stop. But yeah, let's get into this video. As you guys know, I have my own apartment. I was doing a small business promo for a little bit. Beautiful Business has sent me these gorgeous 2 candles over here. They smell bomb as hell, okay? I did not even light them yet because I'm just saving it for a special day. But listen, child, y'all need to check them out on Instagram. Make sure you shop with them, okay? Customer service, she was so sweet. Things were shipped as soon as possible. I just really appreciate it. So make sure you check her out. And if you want to send me anything to me to feature on my Instagram or even in my future YouTube videos, make sure you hit this email right here. Okay, so for all my business ladies, I want you guys to know it's okay. It's okay, but you need to stop comparing yourself to others, okay? I know you see all these beautiful, successful women on Instagram like, wow, why can I be like that? And the real reason you can't be like that is because you're looking at them. Like, literally, you have to understand everybody's their own person. Everybody has their own style. Everybody comes from a different family. Everybody comes from a different environment. Everybody has their own goal. Focus on yours. You out here comparing yourself when your goal or your focus and your purpose might be even better. So I honestly don't want you young ladies to keep comparing yourself to these Instagram models and everything, because honestly, everything is in peaches and cream all the time, okay? Child, you know how easy it is for somebody to just post something on Instagram and, just put up this persona that, this is there, this is that. Girl, life is too short, okay? You're only going to be 19, 18, whatever young age you are for so long. Do not waste that time thinking about nonsense. Like, you're losing a lot of friends, or you're losing like people in your life that you don't really care about you, or you thought they would be there for you. Let me tell you this. Some people can't handle you when you're at your worst. Some people can't handle you when you have nothing. Some people just don't want to be there when you're like literally at level 1. But they want to be there when you're at level 5, level 10 and up, okay? Know that, okay? Not everybody is here for the right reasons. If they wasn't here before, then why are they here now? Okay, people like the easy route. That's why some fake friends still keep in contact with you and they don't really check up on you. They're not really a friend, but they just want to be there for the opportunities. You feel me? Let them people go, okay, child? Let them people go. Let them go. Listen. Don't even feel bad. Don't even feel sad, because they're the ones that had to just use someone like that. And that's why so many people come back when you're doing good. Listen, for personal experience, I had times where I wasn't my best self. I had times where I was down, I really needed someone, or I really needed help with something, and not much people was there. This girl has friends, relationships, and so on. So what they did, they left. They either said I was too complicated, they didn't know what to do, they just didn't fuck with me like that in order to help me grow and support me. But guess what? When you do good, they come back like, hey, how you doing, da da da, and it's like nigga please, what? And they come back when they see you doing good and a smile on your face. And that's what a lot of good genuine people go through, okay? We still give our love to people who don't deserve it because we feel like this person has the same interests and have the same motives that we have, and we need to understand that they don't. They literally don't at all. And Honestly, you guys need to be more protected over who you keep in your space. Because listen, your mental is important, especially as a business owner. You need to be focused. You cannot be out here, stressing about anything other than your bills, honey. I want to say this, okay? Are you too much, or does your presence make them insecure? Okay, honey? Because listen, we ain't for everybody. We is not for everybody. And if you are for everybody, then that ain't good, okay? Be grateful that you are different. Be grateful that you are unique. Be grateful that, you are something special, honey. Like, whether you work a 9 to 5, whether you have a business, be grateful that you have the creativity to make your own business. Or if you even haven't started that business yet, creativity to think about even owning a business. Some people don't even think about that. Some people just live a simple life, and that's okay. Be grateful that you go to 9 to 5 every day. Be grateful that you work the job, you have a kid, you do it on your own, honey. Be grateful, okay? Because listen, a lot of people can't do it, literally. A lot of people can't do it or even think about doing it. Always feel good about yourself. Always think highly of yourself. Let hustle culture make you think that taking breaks is weak. Y'all know on social media, people like, oh, hustle every day, take no breaks. Hustle every day, take no breaks. Now listen, this is coming from somebody who has been hustling every day. Like, if you haven't followed me on YouTube or Instagram, whatever, you know I'm a hustler. That's literally what I do all the time. I'm always working on new designs. Like, it comes natural for me because I was always into fashion design. I was always into, creativity. So I don't really look at this like as a job. But it is important to take breaks because you're human. You have to enjoy personal life. Like, don't let social media or anybody think, oh, you taking a break, like you weak, like you're not really about this for real. Cause listen, honey, okay, especially if you haven't owned a business and you're your own employee, child, listen. Even people in 9 to 5s have to take breaks. Like, listen, you had to take a break. Baby girl, you've been working hard. You've been handling finances. You've been talking to customers. Like, you've been packing orders. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to take some vacation days. It's okay to take some breathing time, okay? You're human. And honestly, when you take breaks like that, you come back even better. Because when you overwork yourself, your mind is just so crowded about 1,000 things at one time. And it's really hard to just focus on one thing. So when you take a break, you relax, you come back with even better ideas, okay? And trust me, and I'm speaking from experience, that happened to me. These other people work so hard. Most of the times, all businesses are different. Many small businesses have employees, so when the boss, want to take a break, the employees got to work. But many small businesses only have one employee, which is you, and you want to take a break and nobody else there to work for you. Honey, take a break and manage it well. Also, for my ladies that struggle with low self-esteem sometimes, just become the person that you need and stop trying to look for it in other people. Okay, God knows what you go through. Only you and God knows, okay? You cannot stress yourself about something that you cannot stress yourself about about people that you cannot control. At the end of the day, people have their own perspectives on life. People have their own perspectives on you, and sometimes you just can't change that. So you really have to move on with life, and you will attract the right people. People talk shit all the time, okay, honey? And people be having a million skeletons in the closet that they won't bring out. Okay, listen, don't let nobody judge you. Don't let nobody judge anything that you love or anything you're passionate or whatever. Because listen, honey, happy people are peaceful people. People who mind their damn business. I think I need to preach. Happy people are peaceful people. People who mind their business. Taking social media breaks, or just not even be the social media girl. It's just that, honestly. Like, without social media, who the hell would some of these people be? Really, like, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, okay? So, People talk shit about everybody. Like, somebody will always have something to say. Okay, listen. Even if you own a business or you work a certain job, people gonna talk shit. Okay, literally. Ain't nobody perfect. There's no such thing as the most perfect person, the most perfect business. Like, people have opinions on everything. It's when other people try to have opinions on something that they don't even know about. That's the problem. That's the problem. People need to mind their business, because giving negative opinions on somebody else, what's that doing for you? Like, is it giving you a pat on the back? No, honey, mind your damn business. Literally, okay? And do not listen. The haters are haters. Like, I look at haters like, oh shit, I made you feel a certain type of way. I'm bringing out a certain type of emotion. Like, I have that much control over you, and I really don't care. Like, who are you? Also, evolve and learn new things. Even if you end up not even finishing it. Like, it could go as far as school. It can go as far as taking classes for something. It can go as far as trying new skills, like doing nails or designing clothes or doing hair, doing lashes. If you feel curious about learning something or doing something, do it. Honestly, do it. That might be your passion. That might be something that you will be successful with. If it's not, it's okay. At least you tried it. Like this, you never know what the outcome may be. So always try something. You are here to evolve. You're literally here to evolve. You know, it's people out here who think they were supposed to be a hairstylist. Next thing you know, they're the top doctor in America. I'm dragging it, but you understand what I'm saying. Keep working hard, keep doing your thing. Love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.